erase it?
Oh,
Henry's drawing.
2 legs, and an eye, and 1 eye, 2 eyes. And color it in. Go over down. That's going to be my person.
Cool.
It looks like a rocket, doesn't it?
Does look like a rocket. Is it a rocket person?
Uh-huh.
What are you going to draw, Noah?
Help me. Help.
You need some help? Yeah, you got to push hard on it, huh?
Look, I'm stucky.
You're what?
I'm stucky.
You're stucky?
I'm going to erase it. No, erase it. No, erase it.
It's okay. He can erase his own.
My own.
You can erase your own, too.
It's coming off. Stay